In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add background music to your snaps even if the update isn't available for you. As you know, Snapchat made a recent update where you can add background music to your snaps, and if you see those buttons there on the top right, the third or fourth button would now be a little music icon, and you can go ahead and tap that to add background music to your snaps. But the update isn't available for everyone, so I just wanted to show you a little bit of a workaround of how you can actually add background music to your snaps while you wait for the update. So you can go onto your favorite music playing app, and I'm going to go to Spotify. So I'll go to Spotify, and then you want to select a song and then go ahead and make sure that it is playing. Now I have muted the music, but it is playing in the background. So if I now go back to Snapchat, all you need to do from here, the music will be playing from your device. All you need to do is hit record, and then you'll be able to record a video with that music playing in the background. So it's a little bit of a quick hack and a quick workaround to add background music to your snaps while you wait for the new update. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.